Hello listeners, welcome to Daily English Pulse. If you want to practice English listening skills, this story is perfect for you. And if you want to take it one step further, you can also practice something called shadowing. It's very simple. Just listen to me and repeat what I say. You can also pause the video and try to copy the way I speak. You'll also see the entire story written on the screen so you can read, listen and speak all at the same time. In today's video, you'll hear common English dialogues used in everyday situations, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. Improve your English listening skills with this simple and clear conversation practice. Repeat the sentences out loud for better speaking practice. So, let's begin the stories. In today's video, we're going to practice real English conversations all about ordering food. This video has been divided into 5 parts for your convenience. You'll hear people ordering at a restaurant, a coffee shop, a fast food place, and even on the phone. These are common situations in daily life, and this practice will help you feel more confident and natural when speaking English. Just relax, listen carefully, and repeat if you like. Let's get started. Mark, hi, welcome to Burger Point. What can I get for you today? Anna, hi, can I get a cheeseburger combo, please? Mark, sure, would you like fries and a drink with that? Anna, yes, please. Can I get a medium Coke? Mark, absolutely. Would you like to make it a large for just 50 cents more? Anna, no, medium is fine, thank you. Mark, got it. Anything else? Anna, no, that's all. Mark, your total is $7.85. Anna, here you go. Mark, thank you. Your order number is 42. Please wait at the counter. Anna, thanks. Sarah, good morning. What can I get started for you? John, hi, I'd like a large cappuccino, please. Sarah, would you like it hot or iced? John, hot, please. Sarah, any flavor or extra shot of espresso? John, no thanks, just regular. Sarah, sure thing, can I get your name? John, John. Sarah, okay, John. That'll be $4.25. John, here you go. Sarah, great, it'll be ready in Saint a moment. In restaurant. Emily, hello, my name is Emily, and I'll be your server today. David, hi, nice to meet you. Emily, can I start you off with something to drink? David, I'll have a glass of water, please. Emily, of course. Are you ready to order or do you need a few minutes? David, I'm ready. I'll have the grilled salmon with a side of mashed potatoes. Emily, excellent choice. Would you like a soup or salad with that? David, a salad, please. Emily, got it. Your order will be out shortly. Enjoy your meal. Employee, thank you for calling Pizza Hub. How can I help you? Lisa, hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery. Employee, sure, what would you like? Lisa, I'll take 1 large pepperoni pizza and an order of garlic bread. Employee, would you like any drinks with that? Lisa, no, thank you. Employee, can I have your address, please? Lisa, yes, it's 451 Maple Street. Apartment 3B. Employee, great, your total is $18.50. It'll be there in about 30 to 40 minutes. Lisa, perfect, thank you. Employee, you're welcome. Maria, hi there, what can I get you today? Kevin, everything smells amazing. I think I'll have the chicken tacos. Maria, great choice. Would you like 2 or 3? Kevin, let's go with 3. Maria, any toppings you don't want? Kevin, no onions, please. Maria, got it. Spicy salsa okay. Kevin, Yes, I love it spicy. Maria, awesome, that'll be $9. Kevin, here you go. Maria, thank you, it'll be ready in a few minutes. Great job today. You've just practiced several real-life English conversations for ordering food. The more you listen and repeat, the more confident your speaking will become. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new English listening practice. Keep practicing every day, and see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching.